Yeah, my people, you don't know it's Leprosy again, bringing you the knowledge and the history and the info through the powers of telepathy. You don't know the thing goes, so right now we are promote Dancehall War channel called Deso. Everybody on the panel, we are tell you about your Deva Brat. You know rate Deva Brat? Alright, you know go there so. You know rate Dosa Medicine? You know go there so. You know rate Ayakti and Rhyme Minister, Sika Rhymes? You know rate the youth them we are forward up? You know rate Duania? You know rate Vybz Kartel? You know rate them fans them? Alkaline? Alright, you know go there so. All of the top artists. Cargo them over there. Zane. So make sure you're on forward. And right now, we are bringing a buzz over there and a whole heap of things in the making, you see me? Because right now we are forward together and cluster as a unit, like G unit, for bring forth whole heap of positivity and prosperity and whole heap of entertainment and vibes to the music, to the business from Dancehall War channel. You see me? If you think say you have what it takes with them on the panel, a Dancehall War channel, make sure you subscribe and follow everywhere on TikTok, YouTube, and all the other views where that go up on social media use. Zin, now tell you no, right now, I show you how we take it over. Cause you have to have knowledge, you know. Can't no don't scan come run over them place, yeah, you know. Big up to the warrior, them a dance all war channel, me I tell you, cause them know them history, you see me. Big up to the creator over there at the dance all war channel, like him organize and set up everything to make this possible. For all man like Pepper Skull and Trey the creator and Leprosy and you don't know you have man like Zabrix where Zabrix or the people them find entertaining and Wally Power him wanna war be people fire rage big up yourself we know you're up on stage. Yeah. So big up to all of the ones them and we get some new producer and new link every day the thing I develop so why wait? Why waste your time forward over there? That's the thing there. Zin, so watch this. You know, listen keenly.
Fine.
Keep up, brother.
No, me I say prime. Remember when Cartel Prime I don't I never did that. Say prime. Remember when Cartel Prime I don't I never did that
Yeah, but
delay
even
them
in
time.
prime, him could keep up because
No,
remember, say, you know that people are shoot at him, you know.
no, me I say only him would I say yo you see. When you listen back all drumline rhythm you know brother. I don't I chop
Did it?
to you know.
Yeah. The drum line back then, yeah.
Drumline rhythm brother. When you listen back then rhythm they are the all of
Yeah,
them
Mm-hmm.
but
tune.
you feel like him could have put up a war like Mavado.
But
Yeah.
Mavado.
No, I mean
Yeah,
in
what
terms
one?
of finding lyrics because
No,
Mavado
move
never
on
find
and
lyrics like
lyrics.
that.
Yo, I'ma say this. I'ma say this before them said that or say what them are gonna say. I'ma tell you this. I do ya could never bring the like, such a challenge to Vybz Kartel like what Mavado bring. I do ya could not because the people them did get tired of the lyrics and the dry flatline DJ thing. I'm telling you that over and over again. Mavado was a new sensation and Idonia wasn't that sensational to the audience cause as I'm telling you, go listen to my Idonia documentary about Vybz Kartel, the late him career. You see me? While Vybz Kartel a war, Mavado, Vybz Kartel right off Idonia. Right now, no sister, Idonia meds mash up. Because Idonia enter the business so strong and so confident because him know same style was hardcore and it did connect with the ghetto youth them just like similar to how Vybz Kartel boss and connect with the ghetto youth them. But it differs with Idonia. Idonia wasn't that effective. You see what I say? Because Vybz Kartel, when you compare Vybz Kartel earlier years and career entering the business and you compare that with Idonia early year entering the business, right? Vybz Kartel had more clarity in his earlier year, right? And we know Mavado came with way more clarity than both of them, and that is why Vybz Kartel had to adjust to defeat Mavado. You see what I say? So basically, Kartel had leverage over Idonia because of one go Vybz Kartel tech and cracking at the business quick. Vybz Kartel upload 20 song in the Blur North business. In first 20 song them shot. I don't know just some youth like me and some other youth where they discover him, I try spread the word and give him some free ads out there in the streets and all about it, you see me? But I don't I could never bring that same challenge. Maybe if him say yo, when it comes to the flatline DJ thing now, if them did forgo hand in hand, right? May I show you the Vybz Kartel would have still beat Idonia. Because watch this, let me show you how we do the maths. Because we can maths out anything, maths solve all areas of life when it comes to problem and complication. Maths can use to solve even letters and words problem. You know what I mean? Maths, even though it's numbers that comes to mind with maths, but look, let's do the maths now. All right. So we see where when every time Vybz Kartel comes under pressure, no matter how big of a pressure, right? We see him came under pressure from him enter the business with him slack song them being, you know, All this banning thing coming in, Vibes Cartel have faced a whole heap of challenges right through, you know. A whole lot of challenges right through from him into the business. The banning, the bleeping thing came on the radio since Cartel came out, you know. Take body girl, you take me easy, who you ramp with? You want to live easy, take my things and you take my money too. So take body too. Them time the Jamaica never really ready for them thing. The man they just too graphical. You take my things and you take my money too. So take body too. Them time there's some man a play a sweetheart role, I give the girl them everything, you know. And them well want the coochie and not tell the girl, you know, cause them afraid, you know, and Vibes Cartel bare face. So the man just came different. You see me? So we see every time when Vibes Cartel came under pressure, whether it be government, whether it be the Mavado, the clashes them, the war them, when him got through and over forward and became victorious. Cause him defeat all him enemy from Gringo, from Mafia Dan, where you want to call him Gringo, being him on like a right hand man for much years. See? To Assassin, to Spragga. Remember Spragga pressure cartel with theme lyrics them, you know. Well, at that people would assume maybe Vibes Cartel see it as a little tap on the wrist when Spragga came. And maybe it was so fun for Vibes Cartel to see Spragga came too. Because when you see the godfather for your nemesis have to come defend your enemy, you're supposed to say, yo, this look good, alright? So, you see me, but we know Spragga came really hard at Vibes Cartel, and Vibes Cartel got mats up something for him. So, back to the maths thing, come here show you. So from them time they in a Vibes Cartel career, Vibes Cartel a come under some heavy blood clot um challenge, some serious challenge, and him overcome them. Because when Spragga go some boom and come at Vibes Cartel about he must get plenty ease from him a go to high school. Cause Spragga knows a Vibes Cartel was seen as a bright youth, you know. And the Calabar Associate and Teacher Association them did put out a word and make the world know. Say, yeah man Cartel they do good in school. I just him absence, him number of absence because I'm a school for go studio, right? Which is why them kick him from Calabar. Unlike Masicka now, Masicka get kicked from Calabar because him stole the equipment for build studio and yard. See? So big up to Vibes Cartel. And that's why I'm telling you say Vibes Cartel not do nothing wrong in my eyes from observing him nucleus in the business from the genesis, the very beginning. See? Vibes Cartel are real youth. You have to know him history to know what he's capable of and what he's not capable of. So Vibes Cartel always destroy him challenges them and overcome them and break through all of them, destroy every barrier that comes at him. As you in his way, any obstacle Vibes Cartel hurdle over that or destroy that, remove that, kick that out of the way. Zin? Now I don't always suffer from him challenges. I'm gonna show you. Alright? So as my show on Vibes Cartel overcome all his challenges. All the prison thing, him a clash in a prison, him a build song in a prison when it's supposed to harder for him to get song out. Vibes Cartel conquer every problem that arises his way. You know see that God bless you that. I want to know owners so blind. See, that's why you know if you look in on yourself and see say any una attack against Vibes Cartel, uno is demonic. Watch this now. Idonia. Idonia was a past student of Meadowbrook High School. Good school, you have to have good grades for go Idonia school. But Calabar is a better school and seen as a much brighter school. So even in a school in Cartel a school them and Vibes Cartel a poor youth, a poor family background him a come from. Them youth they can't pay forget put a head in a big school like Calabar. Cartel it have to have the good grades from primary school or prep school, whichever kindergarten school him a come from. Him have to get good grades as a poor youth for go Calabar. Cartel parents gonna buy no way for him. I don't your parents could have buy for him way in a Meadowbrook. But when I say that, I'm not accuse him, but me I show you say Cartel beat them in a schooling. Cause enough rich people pitney, them fail from in a primary school, prep school, whichever school them want go, or kindergarten, enough of the rich people pitney them fail them schoolwork, but because them parents have money, they pay these big institution and school for accept their kids with failing grades. So when you see a poor ghetto youth pass with a big school and them have to put him in a big school, cause just because the rich people them buy them way for them kids getting at the big school them cause them kids are failure in the school, right? That makes it now difficult for the poor kids them with the big grades who are supposed to continue into a big and better institution that now cause because of the rich people buying their kids way into these schools that they don't deserve and never qualified for, that now causes an elimination of the poor youth who earn their way there. Right? So now the system take a lot of those poor youth who pass for these big school to put them somewhere else because the rich people already buy out that school. Right? So when you see a poor youth go a big school, man, believe me. Zane big up cartel, a brighter boy for the whole of them. Zane, now watch this. We see say Idonia take 2 years for bus. Cause every producer try with him from 2004 really. See? And him song them never really a connect. Only us as the ghetto youth them it a connect with, cause we did love him raw band sound and the chaka chaka and like a gorilla. You see me? So we did in love with that raw part and you get me, I said raw charting. So watch this now. Weed was open for a long time for see I don't get accepted in the major league. But him sang them nah really get no ears, them nah crack no code, them nah crack no barrier, no nothing. But him grow gradually in a 2 years still time he take the one, which is fairly good because it take other artists like even Masicka way longer. Probably all 6 years. Yeah, 6 years it took Masicka for really concrete himself in the thing. You see what I say? So you have to understand once you get radar play and them thing there, that you're supposed to make use of them opportunity there by putting out some big song now. You get radar play, do some big song where can crack the blood not ice man, break barriers and you see me? Yeah man, you cannot take them opportunity there as some joke thing I put out some joke song. You see me I say? So yes, so we see Idonia having problem with his challenges from long time. Get what me I say? Alright, watch this now. A next challenge where Donia falter to when him and Vybz Kartel start par and him name start call up in a badness and you know the government them start if you wonder what these artists are up to. I don't have a subtle and kickback because his mother even page him and I don't go for interview and start this same mother page him and say she don't like what she has to with him and Cartel and how them a move and big rifle in a Hanover, some Caribbean island or in a Colombia or Venezuela, one of them places there. You get me I say or El Salvador, Ecuador or one of them places there where them have the big rifle them a pose with man in a bush and some cereal, you see me when I talk about cornflakes. So them thing them make do your mother have to page him and do when you back down and say, yo, I'm stop her with Cartel because I'm getting a bit of trouble and Cartel love the badness too much and ray. When at that one that promote. So therefore, I don't want to lose because him give up in the game. Him come out as a bad man, real bad man, and him father a soldier and gunshot this and gun that and bust out that and pandemonium and down slam. Big up every bumbo clap man in the ghetto. We are straight gun man. Beat it. And then now you go ball and say your mommy said this and you go back down and you know what I mean I say you can say I focus on the girls them now and Ray. So therefore you quit, you lose. You couldn't trod through it. Cartel trod through the fire, the lengthy fire till them all lock him up. And Vybz Kartel see it. Vybz Kartel told us in 2010 that yo people on the don't be surprised if you see them come say me do this and do that and lock me up sealer. Cause Vybz Kartel know what they're about to do. But our Vybz Kartel never back down. You see, make them a long time. Them want him stop singing gun song, cause film gun song were more infectious, and that's why Chronics tell you say Vybz Kartel song them cannibalistic because I'm too real. Him know for paint him art. That's why I tell you say music is a art as well. But only thing different with music from a painter who uses his brush or an artist who uses pencil and pen and markers and all type of different utensils to draw and color and shade and what have you. The difference is us as artists who sing and DJ and rap and whatever you want pop, we paint our art with melodies, words, and sound, right? Because word sound is power. That is what paints our art, right? It's a conscious state of art, like, it developed from in the mind and you put it out there and it affects the people. While which make it spiritual and like it's not much physical until you get it on a record, which we see in that's now those days are basically over. You still can get a vinyl and your record and your CD, but only a few people does that. Mainly serious business people in the music have to do that or find funding doing that to better protect their rights and their properties. You know what I mean? So we see where I don't just always back down and quit from the fight, get to him. Now when I'm last fight, see, we see where him say man take over dancehall, cock up him foot pan ER when Vybz Kartel did drop a prison and him fail for run dancehall and him did same run it. See, fail for run it. And you know what that do? That make him become miserable because of Vybz Kartel and Alkaline when I run it. See, when Kartel in a prison, I'm an Alkaline I run it for a while till Alkaline die out and then Kartel still a run it. Kartel are the leader. Cause remember say even after the war with squash them, the six boss and Alkaline them, Alkaline kinda easy from the music, not drop much till it's like him fade away with the gravitational power there with the people them and the music was so attached. The attachment then there again is like the people them detached from it. So it's like Alkaline now still not hold it out long like Cartel. See? But closely to the same time now, you know, say Vybz Kartel did end up take a break in the music because it that geared on to him what you call it, the Privy Council ruling and hearing and all of that. You get me I say? He did kind of take a break and just there release only a few covers of his own song he was re-releasing, you know. So yeah, so that's why it seems to people as if Vybz Kartel had had fall off. But people is either them not have no sense or them just use that as their talking points. Cause people will know the truth and know say say a true cartel court case, big court case that come up why I cool off of music. They will know this and still talk against it as if they don't know that that is why he's taking a break, you know? So can't follow and argue with some people. Is it? And then finally we see where Donia is now. Like because of the stress, he always wanted confirmation and affirmation from the fans. Like he always wants that like what the fans opinion, right? But just because the fans disagree with Idonia being one of the top lyrical and musical dancehall veteran in the business next to Cartel, the people them discredit Donia and that bullshit. So Donia always want to be seen by the fans as being a similar competitor up there in the number one spot with Vybz Kartel, and that is ridiculously foolish. Because there's no way, Donia, you know, work hard as Cartel, you know, have the wide range of song them like Cartel, you know, have the wide range of style them like Cartel, you know, have the wide range of sound them like Cartel, you know, have the brilliance like Cartel, you know, have the girls them like Cartel, you know, read the books them like Cartel, you know, stand up in a war like Cartel, you never really defeat nobody like Cartel, me know say you never like Cartel, that's why Vanessa have to say by Cartel, and that's why Cartel, no for them bad mind Cartel, no for them want get them Cartel, but them can't drink him rum or the wine Cartel, him can't get him girl nine Cartel. If you listen son them up nine Cartel. Watch when hey, them can't find Cartel. The party boy foot I hey, he can't even mind himself. But him want mind Cartel business in him in him care where him live. You see me? So we see Donia can't stand up. Right now Donia basically mad out in a brother. Because him not get the fans them opinion agreed with him. The fans them not agreed with him being up there with Cartel. You get what I say? So Donia basically mad out at this point. Him just in his own zone in a move like ignorant. When you see Donia smile, that is not really a genuine smile, because he's not considered as the number one, and at that him did want for be. You understand? But a Cartel God give the blessing for be the number one ruler and king of the dancehall. You see what I say? Greatest, the most loved and the most hated, the most paid and the most blood clad, grateful and most kind. He's the most blood now helpful, most caring artist we have in Jamaica. Along with
Mavado is not a lyrical artist.
Brother, Mavado did have to find lyrics in a word and not sing the artist that sing. But I
Intellect.
the artist that
Intellect. Style golem, man.
Yeah, man,
Intellect.
me tell you something.
Mavado.
Mavado is a killer, man. You forget.
Mavado is not a lyrical artist.
Brother, Mavado did have to find lyrics in a word and not sing the artist that sing. But I
Intellect.
the artist that
Intellect. Style golem, man.
yeah, man,
Intellect.
me tell you something. Mavado is a killer, man. You forget. Forgive my words. You see me? But Mavado is an artist. You have to provoke him, man.
No,
provoke
come in
him,
intellect, come in intellect, come in now.
Mr. Intellect, when I that the word, I never look for Mavado for no lyrics.
Brother,
Yeah. When it came to that clash with Mavado, we were just looking for a good diss track because we know that he's not a lyrical artist.
Like a lipstick one.
Other song they are the only song. Hold on, G. Other song they are the only song him come lyrical with. Listen now.
Nah, man.
Watch on, man. Hold on, make him sing.
Come on, man.
No, go down in our chorus. Go down in our chorus.
Never remember, you know,
all right. Watch out. Watch out now. Let me reason it up. Yo, top tier. Hold on, top tier.
Hold
on, man. Mavado. All right, Mavado was dropping Badman song. Cartel. Hold on, G. Hold on. Cartel was counteracting. You see, clash is about lyrics, melody, and counteraction.
Yeah.
Mavado was not counteracting the songs. He was just dropping.
Come on, Daddy. Come on, listen up. Remember say,
Jesus Christ. If you no listen back, you clashing, brother. No count, brother. Everything when Mavado say about Kartel, man, sing it back in the next song. Everything a man counteract it and show him say, yo, I know so
me
go,
know.
so you go. Then the so clash go, brother. Mavado just had sing some bad man song, dog.
Yeah, but listen, somebody have to show the first punch first, dog. Somebody have to show.
Brother, Mavado just had sing some bad man song, dog.
Yeah, but listen, somebody have to show the first punch first, dog. Somebody have to show the first punch and then I'm gonna counteract it, you know. But Mavado
And then you
punch.
counteract where the man say. Now so you go. If you sing
Yeah,
the
that's
first
why
song and
Kartel
then
win the war, but Mavado did that show a punch.
no,
Yo, I'm tell you now. I'm tell you. You see, right now you have an argument between Trey the Creator, and Trey the Creator is defending his stance, saying that Idonia would have been a more challenge for Vybz Kartel than Mavado, which I disagree totally. However, I agree with intellect because it's intellect arguing now with Trey the Creator. But a Trey the Creator my boss right now over Dancehall War channel, you know, Trey the Creator and Pepper Skull. My two general them there when it comes to the argument. You don't know Dancehall War who own the panel will have to big him up because him are the boss. I make it possible for the whole away. So we can't place nobody before them and they understand at the starting of the thing that so yeah. But you don't know when it comes to the defensive force when we need somebody from our team. Pepper Skull you want, yeah, to defend the Gaza against certain critics. Cause you see the thing is Pepper Skull not biased. And because Vybz Kartel is so great, right? Pepper Skull always tell the truth. Him not for sugarcoat and add no additives to Vybz Kartel reality for make it Vybz Kartel seems any more greater than he is. It's just facts the man attack. You get me I say? Cause Pepper Skull rate Alkaline too. You get me I say? But a lot of people in the comments them, especially on YouTube, if you listen and go watch the read the comment them on YouTube, you go see say a lot of the viewers them I would say they want to stereotype Pepper Skull as a biased Gaza fan. You know, like I read some comments stating that like they're saying that we're sheep, you know, and Pepper Skull was one of the person arguing to that complaint that person made. So therefore they're actually stating that Pepper Skull is one of the Gaza sheep. Which you know what I say, them not really they don't really understand because people, yo, if you lie, if you try bring down a man, you get a lot of support from people, you know, because a lot of people prefer lies than the truth, just because they hate someone, you know what I mean? So as I say, I do know a Lily compared to Mavado and Vybz Kartel. For anybody to say Mavado would be a better challenge to Vybz Kartel than Mavado. Yeah.
I am not.
It's not like it was a knockout. Like say, a one punch.
Alright, watch out now.
Me never
Alright, watch
said-
out now. Alright, watch out now.
Yo.
Here, give me a little piece side. You see, in that war there, in them time there, Kartel was a more mature artist than the Gully, you know. Right on the Gully as a young just a coming out of the business at that time. Kartel star war the man, no Kartel is there in the long before him, you know. So
Yeah,
when Gully really stand up and do it too, you have to give him props to that. Regardless, Kartel win the war there. I give Kartel a war there, you know. But we give Gully 100% props for him do. Because Kartel was in the business long before Gully. And in a Gully, like a baby stage, Gully take him on, you know.
What for rate Gully?
When Gully just a coming in, you could have written off Gully, you know, when you hear nothing more about Gully, you know.
Can help Kartel.
Real talk.
A new host.
Yo, let me say this.
Yo, easy na man.
Music.
Man. When Kartel clash bun Mavado a big artist at the time.
No man, Mavado apprentice.
I want to
Him write 5 songs.
Yo,
Kartel write 5 songs and
Mavado
Gully.
Billboard song when the man clash Kartel. A big artist at the time, brother.
My lord.
I want to know my
yo, one at a
Maybe that
time.
couple song around. Yeah, man, maybe that couple song around.
big artist when the man clash
And my
Kartel.
boy write him 5 songs.
Yo, alright, don't you have them.
Yo, mama talk. My time, you know. Buckler. Bless up everybody. Zin, here we go.
Bullet.
Yeah, people, and me that just take over the argument, you see me? Yeah, man, and me just take over the argument and give them a laughter. But it's serious, cause a long time I beg for you to say, yo, give them the cartel talk. Yo, cartel are the baddest thing, you see me? I'm out. Watch it up. So, you see how I take over the argument and have everyone a listen. Which is rare, cause I don't know people in them feelings when they touch them topic here, you know. So, I end up going mute myself by accident, you see me? I think. I don't think of the creator Dancehall War did it by accident, but maybe, I'm not sure. But I end up mute myself one at a time. You go see it. Right, let it play.
What no need for understand, Zane? Vybz Kartel journey more rough. Cause remember say in a life the race start.
Right, that's how I mute myself, it seems, people. You're the man them now. You're the man them.
You do all of that, you mute.
Yeah, that man said, what's it?
A wipe it, you know.
You hear me now?
Oh.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
So may I say, yo, remember say life is a race, you know, brother. And in a life, no man no start at the same point, you know. So why I say so is because Vybz Kartel never born with no special voice box or sound. Him train himself for become.
Yeah, my people. So the reason why I'm say this now because the argument that was developing before I took over the chat right now is because they were saying that Mavado, one was saying that Mavado was a little artist, right? While Trey, the creator, who I'm telling us, say, my boss, him there said, no man, Mavado was a big artist when him get at Cartel in a '06 when the war start, late '06 going into '07, right? So I agree with Trey, the creator here, because Mavado is blessed with this sound where just make him rise quick to fame, very fast. You understand? The people them just want to hear him be a producer, run him down for Vice him, and he became that sensational power. So Vybz Kartel it had to level up because him sister and him again every producer want to run to. And I saw it going, someone only hold that flame for a short period of time and things say, yeah, all is well, while some other artist is working hard to come fill that blood knot gap or take that space or remove you because music is a competition. So all who keep on talking about music is not a competition. You don't compete and see how much fans you're gonna have. You have to see it as a competition and try to gain the larger base fan base. You know what I mean? The more fans, the more better, the more money, the more clout, the more everything. Yeah.
When become him train himself to become lyrical. Him never born with no special ability for the music. Him train and adapt. Even Pepper Skull say him have this adapting ability. Zane, where that can use right across the board. But Mavado him born with a special ability where theme singing thing was big and gravitated by the people them because I just feel him gift that. Him get a special length in the race. Why him could have start off at that point for be such a terrible challenge for Kartel. Watch this now. Kartel, they have to train and go through the man a PM one studio fee from Mago High School, brother. Or if you stop a man like that, Kartel a left school, I go studio. The man they retire.
So turn down the device in the background.
Boy, so
yo, the man.
May
I tell you, the man.
Please.
What?
like
So you say Leprosy.
Whoever not talk, just mute them mic. Simple as that.
Yeah, so may I say, Kartel left school and go studio and go learn and write him thing and develop until he own him skill. The rest of them man as just someone Buju Banton and certain artists born with a special gift where make music easier for them and make it easier for producer want to run down them and give them deal and them thing there. Some man not born with them gift the brother like Kartel. So Kartel did have to work for have something where the people them can require, and that was the lyrics which was first because music never require no much melody. Yes, we did have singers and the singers them are big star, yes, so people love, but the street respect DJ, and as a DJ Kartel did have to learn and craft him thing. Zane? But him, alright, Bunty is a man we born with a special gift with film voice. Vegas, him never have no special thing till a man lick him in him face with a iron.
Son. Him done.
See? And when Vegas get licking in him face with a iron, him and them do some surgery on him mouth, him come out of the studio, out of the hospital with a special sound the way him have. Because Vegas have a little special sound will make him valuable in the music, you know. Zane?
Yeah, man. Vegas with a pipe and in a studio, pipe, back in the 90s. Cause they try bus, you know, and it's like, you know, cause I remember Vegas I one little troublemaker from long time, you know, till people realize when Pastor Gino Jennings have to usher him out of the church. See, but a long time Vegas I give himself problem till the man have to lick him with a pipe and him face and him jaw corner. Broke up at like 50 Cent when 50 Cent get shut up. See? But when Vegas got the surgery and come out of the hospital, it's like him vocals change. This magic thing. So it's like a blessing. That's what I say. Yes, him get beat up, but yet still him came out with a special sound that make him become relevant and, you know, lucrative in the music biz. So it's it.
Alright. So you just have some man waiting there. So that's why you can say, oh, Mavado was such a big thing there for like a big black in a cartel way when him thing there when him come out. But him wasn't him never have that serious interest there like in the music. I grew up Mavado have to grow too, you know, and say what and get enlightened on the whole world and way I see before, you know. Kartel get them inspiration the long time from O3, you know. I remember say Kartel never have no struggle for making the business, you know. It's just that Kartel was a problem because him sang them slack. The man lyrics them have reach the ghetto youth them that the ghetto youth them fastly take on to Kartel and start do everything what the man say. You see me? Kartel just you might can't play with Kartel, dog. The man brilliant, the man is specially gifted by God to, you know, cause guess what? A Kartel have the most girl brothers as artists. No artist now have more girl than Kartel. Watch this, Kartel read the amount of book. I'm alone tell the youth them say them to take up a book from Kartel boss. And none of the DJ them now read no book from how long in a warrior. A be a done spot we have as artists.
No pressure, no book.
And Kartel.
Yeah,
okay.
I forget the part. Right.
No, listen. Yeah, we get that song there from Bunty and we get
Yo, me
understand
understand
from the artists them
that,
before Kartel.
but Mr. So like, why what the book thing,
But what you know?
bro?
Wow, here with the book thing.
Hold on,
It's a lecture in our
multiple.
boss. We can't remember so much things in there, brother.
Leprosy.
You have to just talk and pass.
Yeah,
the mic.
because
Yeah, I'm not like, I don't move greedy right there, so I take over the thing too long. But coming like, my thoughts are overflow and I just want to get them out, cause, you know, just for eliminate a lot of where the Gaza haters them on the panel would have normally say. Cause this is my first time I believe it was, you know, up on the panel getting my talk points across them way, yeah, so. Yeah, when I first time them this on the panel, is it? Big up Dancehall War. Somebody kind of agree with this, so I love how Trey the creator stand him ground and just know say, yeah man, yo, yeah, hear me? Big man thing. I say thing set. Yeah.
Lempa,
You
you
can't
have to make a
DJ
man talk,
for so
bro.
long, brother.
You have to make a next man talk, bro. I just saw a thing, bro.
You just click your live and Wally reason.
All
Yeah,
right.
man. Hold on there.
Dancehall why?
Sudden. You see
Yeah,
your
artist that want to chat to you, you know.
Who that?
Color banks, you know.
Life and say thanks.
Say more all that chat. What you have to say, banks?
Color.
They didn't hear your voice.
Yeah, they never brought me there. What I about, so me not get my pay for my dub and a war, you know. Record what they, you know, song so come on road.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, discipline records. I break no know that too, man. So me
So
have find
which dub you talk about now?
Car one kicks, man. Man, I get money from Australia, America, and I give me no dub. At a mud, no, they run there and fire rage them know that a female that go bust next. You see me, true, me not hold him on the platform yet.
Fire rage there, you know.
The youth just sound like an artist from down a town. I saw the town one them, the downtown one them chat, you know, and behave. See it.
Me not care who one day. I just want so make me know. Make me statement. Me don't make me chat. I'm out.
So
So
you
who
want
the dog there?
I just that me the war, you know.
How would the dog there say who him?
The Babrat.
Never the
Oh.
sprat.
Sudden.
Like sudden.
Sudden forward back on the thing of that.
Yo, Dancehall war.
What kind of sudden interview that they real quick? That we're going on.
1 week, man.
No, man, I hear the artist here already, man. I tell him about Dancehall war, so the war been going on long time, you see it. I know just know, you see me.
I'll never brought and fabric, man.
Big up DJ Peanut on the live, you know, you see me. I know it thing go.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of respect.
So if you never hear me on the interview, and I hear it some way, somehow. So when I have just do enough. Who for vice, who for name in night, different thing. You see me?
Yeah, man. So a crucial conflict you talk to.
Everybody are dead after mud fire rage. And now hear all tempo. One man now get this and a tap banger where they are firing that a champagne. And Zabri.
And my account to the people, but remember that me I do it.
Those are made it so good to I'm a G, because I'm seeing me a B-side regular and a big me up say artist. Real G them man there. Mad in a Portmore, those are.
The war is on.
So look at now, yo, me general. Why artist name again?
Collar Banks himself.
Collar Banks. Look at. I get it straight, you know. Where you say, because me kind of not get the dub part. Which song, what going on with the dub thing?
Brother, 2 songs me did record still in a Dancehall war this me a chat to.
Yeah, man, I MCM one.
That is it. Him say one dub me for do that. A them and a war man. Me have a song right now I come and road. So they for edit brass. So I go hear it. So they can go on a preview.
So look at Deba say.
So they can go on a preview.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm end up though 2 dub.
Mm-hmm.
And him say money I go forward and him bring up cheap argument through me have no cheap, you see me? He might run down tempo them with board through girl thing, but through me did it with champion, him could have ramped me. The youth from Spanish Town look like. So me know fire rage them and hear say them they are the studio. What can device me, you know? So everything me know what I go on the platform.
So how long this happening, you know?
No, from before Jamaica left Jamaica, man, I feel run up and down. He run up and down through. She say him go out with fuck crazy, man. No man not in attack. Never chronic lad them not in attack. Sick around them teacher, no man not. So me if you come take talk. Plus you know pay me. Plus the man same give a chance the first time.
Yo,
and then do it again.
Me not know him.
Joking.
You want to artist where you say you call out there? Fire rage.
We one dog. Me not know him, hombre.
Don't worry, head man, me there Magnum with Jabbox, a bag of thing. Just check out Collar Banks, KULLABNKS. Be my video pop up, Mavado war song too. Check it out.
Yeah, check
So,
out Collar Banks.
look out for your ongoing war, you see it? So that was Collar Banks.
Collar Banks, I want to tune a job.
Yeah, man. I love how Collar Banks confident and positive about him thing, you see me? So it forgot. So the artist them for confident, you see it?
Talk to one of me, you know.
Producer and the manager would have talk to.
I leave them work and come to me there.
I don't know them part of the work, so I just ask you, I want to listen to it and hear where you're going with my father. That's all.
You can get a preview, man. You know why I hear it now?
Tell us sudden can
Yeah,
get
man,
a preview.
preview.
I dance all want make them decision there, I mean my father. Me just
So run it, man. Let me hear where you're going with.
Yeah, man, act like fire.
Dance all want do them decision there. Me don't want to listen for my one time see why you are going with, you know what I mean?
Man, they want to hear a word, rise the song.
I dance all want me depend on that me there for.
From 1 week, when they are wait for the chat, man.
Yo, me general.
So my father 13 years ago you sang Vice?
Which 13 years ago, brother? One song Vice. One song Vice last week and one Vice last year, brother.
No, from them time there.
Listen, no God, if you all listen, bad man. Killing us, say you want your dance all one. Easy method. Barfly song name, you know. So I'm gonna check it out.
Never brought.
The head bucket burst.
Never brought a bar fly to backside. All he made it burst. Head bucket burst.
Dash with them fucking quick. Ooh, them are no bar man. Show them all wrong. Never edit burst. Yeah, pick up for never brad.
No, we have to mutual over here, sir.
Are you a low-skilled worker looking to immigrate to Canada? Look no further. This video will discuss the
Pick up with nobody.
Yeah, man.
No pick up with nobody, my father.
No, you we are say Ray. I mean, DJ Sudna say Ray. G Sudna.
No,
I
I personally attack. Me I say, me da listen for the dog name. You call the dog name?
Yeah, man. What me say? Never edit burst. And now listen to song.
No. Remember, it come through the phone from my next phone and my father. Me I try hear it the best as me can. My phone there, my ears. But me I say, the dog name.
Yeah, man. I call him name.
So you go on them.
I man them here all now. Man say name call him name.
Once you say that, man, just hear me. But me I say, in a real life, me not grow on you. If you want the dog answer, I don't feel like a one line of the game.
Who that? I'm Defa Brat.
Yeah, if you want dog answer, I'm not thinking to get one line.
Oh, the rest of the line them have a fire rage and hot mud. Me not tell you, me I wrap up some of them where they are studio, brother.
So, them name the call though?
The fire rage.
No, them name not call another song. Then the next song come, I want them to answer.
Them know say.
Yo, Jamaican full of them style, them a pressure. Them a try for pressure the youth still, but the youth know for defend himself. You see me? Yeah, pressure, you know, but them a try to pressure him, you know. But say you have to know if you can defend yourself, you know. You see? Even if I lie, the youth I tell, cause I don't think him call Never Brought name, you know. You see me? Me hear him say head bucket burst. You see? But I hear him say no Never. We might have to go listen to that again. But I just run it out like an extra clip. You see me?
Them gunshot fire.
Them attack, them unite, them me attack, allow me a chat and I make them know so them get dash way. You know, you me say the producer collect. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say, na God. Me say the producer collect and dash way them fucking quick. That are them, that are in a verse, that 16 bar, me give them.
Yeah.
Alright, now you explain to me, them man, they know say them attack, so you're good there, so.
Yeah, so, me know you say fire rage and one whole heap of man I say them don't know me, but watch it now. A lyrics talk for itself, you know, cause dancehall war now say a bus me come for busted. Smash, dash, cash. Big up Zabrik, anywhere him there, one doser.
Yeah, the youth can defend himself.
Fire, wait, Atamod fire, Deva fire.
I mean, I hear no song for them.
Yeah, but Deva, say ma fling them out.
Atamod.
Atamod.
So I'm not fling them out. Cause me a sick a rhyme. Listen up. Me a sick a rhyme them did a roll one time now, so that good for me kill him and hot mud and fire rage them cause Kartel now look on him. Simple.
Yo, which part?
Can't tell you.
Alright, you see what Papa Skull say? Fire rage boss there. I don't know him now answer.
Well, on the press.
The comment.
Me a murder artist in a brother.
Yo, which fire
out and basing in.
Artist, where your career there right now in a music?
great trend. What you mean where my career there? You know, yeah, when I done sell it already.
Just know I am a general. I am just asking you where
just go follow color banks and know what I
You can't speak about your career. What you do lately? Like what's going on?
Right now for 2 label, I go 3 hit single. Discipline record. Me shot 2 things in Texas. What do you see him with? For a label named Lionheart. Or so named Lionheart.
You know a Lionheart song.
Me have a video gone 40K where the video man collect me collect off already. Me have the BMW video where you not look pan yet. That are the song name Once Me Have Life. Then the release is a EP job.
You say you have 4 hit song, you know. So me no know.
Me say 4 hot single my job. You say what the latest.
Alright, may I check out your
Me have Carbon Kicks a rap song with Defabra. Should the trouble lay that we Uncle 30. Look for that. Me afraid that me with Skilly Bang near me night.
Big up Tree.
Me have one of me a bust off Atta Mud head and Fire Rage head. Boy that not drop yet.
Fire Rage. Great.
It's a whole heap of thing. A sudden put my hand on the time and say you don't know. Say me
Dancehall war. It look like that Vybz and frighten Rage, cause I don't see it back.
Yo, Rage. That me I say Rage and move so.
Yo, Masicka rhyme. Right now, me have a line.
Yo,
me say me have a line where Masicka rhyme. Every time I drop it, Masicka rhyme, I laugh.
Greater speak. Give me post. I hear this. I hear what I say.
Yeah. You don't know, say, them me there eat a pizza road boy and not take in the show. What a good thing me there, what?
Why if he eat it?
Me never know said nothing like this to happen. Me just put out my disclaimer. That eat, me there eat still and I listen to the program.
So what going for you are? You know, your man I call you out, bro?
Yeah, man, me are here.
So why you not go shoot?
Yo, Rage.
Yo, a dancehall war, you there, no, bro?
Rage.
Think a joke.
Rage. Fire Rage.
So, all you have to ask a shooter if him going to shoot. But when me going to shoot off, I can't kill innocent people, you know, my lad. A bad, but you bad to get, you know. It's a you up and I say,
Presley attack to you. Presley attack to you.
Fire Rage.
Yo.
So like you afraid of the war already.
Recognize the name, I say Presley. Rush the music.
Pepper Skull, lady. Go Pepper Skull.
So